Isang panibagong law school building sa Iloilo City ang pinasinayaan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, kung saan binigyang diin ng Pangulo ang kanilang tiwala at suporta sa legal professionals. Serena Manubag Dagoon, nakatutok.
Pinasinayaan ang bagong gusali ng West Visayas State University College of Law sa La Paz, Iloilo City. Pinangunahan niya ni President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Mapapakinabangan ng mga estudyante ang gusaling 4 na palapag na nagkakalaga ng 400 million pesos. Ang bagong College of Law building ay isinakatuparan sa inisyatiba ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos. Makabago at dekalidad ang disenyo ng pasilidad para sa mga mag-aaral ng law. Nagsimula ang konstruksyon ng proyekto noong March 5, 2024 at may laking 3,456 square meters. Kabilang sa mga pasilidad ang 6 na air-conditioned theater-type classroom, 2 moot court rooms, arbitration rooms, aklatan, legal clinic, mga conference room at iba pang mahahalagang amenities.
Importante dito, mai-realize ng lahat na ganito yung klase ng infrastructure o ng mga facilities na Filipinos deserve. Diba? Hindi na yung substandard, hindi na yung pangit, yung sira-sira, bago pa lang sira na. Diba? I mean, people, especially our students here in WABSU and everywhere, deserve facilities like this na maganda. And magagawa lang tayo ito pagka sigurado na yung pera natin hindi ninanakaw. Kasi pag ninakaw, wala kang magagawa. Talaga magiging substandard yan.
Ang West Visayas State University College of Law ang kauna-unahan at nag-iisang State University Law Program sa Western Visayas na binuksan noong Agosto 2020. Malaki ang ambag ng bagong gusali sa paghahatid ng dekalidad na legal education. Bago nito, dumalo sina Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at unang ginang Liza Araneta Marcos bilang mga pangunahing pangdangal sa commencement exercises ng West Visayas State University College of Law. 25 mag-aaral ng College of Law ang nagtapos ngayong taon kung saan personal na magbibigay ng mensahe ang Pangulo sa mga magsitapos. Nagsilbi bilang faculty member ng WVSU College of Law ang unang ginang Liza Araneta Marcos noong 2024.
Especially for those who have chosen the study and practice of law. For while the law demands firmness, rigor, and objectivity, justice must never lose sight of its humanity. You must always carry compassion, fairness, and respect for human dignity. The legal profession has always been part of my life. My father, President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., was a lawyer. My wife is also one, as you all know very well. She has had the privilege of teaching in your institution and guiding many of you through your legal education.
Bago ang nasabing seremonya, idinaos kaninang umaga ang commencement exercises ng School of Graduate Studies ng Pamantasan.
We are deeply humbled that the highest leaders of our land and the pillars of our academic community have gathered today to witness the quiet miracles that have taken place in our classroom.
Hindi magpapahuli ang West Visayas State University College of Law sa legal education matapos makapagtala ng 100% passing rate sa 2025 bar examinations. Rena Manubag, Dagoon, IBZ News.